qualify to receive a free signed copy of their Amazon best-selling book and a free $100 Amazon gift card. Call right now for your free consultation and to find out if you qualify. Simply dial pound 250 on your cell phone, and when prompted, say the keyword money. Again, dial pound 250 keyword money. That's pound 250 keyword money.
This promotion was paid for and sponsored by Peace Financial Freedom. Investment advisory services are offered through Fiduciary Solutions LLC, the California Registered Investment Advisor. Insurance products and services are offered through PFFG Insurance Agency LLC, California Insurance License Number 0114013.
Give your small business one tech solution that checks all the boxes. It's all here with the Comcast Business Complete Connectivity Solution. It's cyber threat security for peace of mind. Check. The power of the largest, fastest, reliable network for small business. That's a triple box check right there. And save up to 75% a year on your wireless bill with Comcast Business Mobile. Check and cha-ching. It's everything you need to keep your business connected. From the company powered by the next generation 10G network. The Complete Connectivity Solution. Get started for just $49 a month for 12 months when you add mobile. And ask about an $800 prepaid card. Comcast Business. Powering possibilities.
And 521.23. Restrictions apply. Requires 2-year agreement, Ecobill, and autopay. New 100 megabits per second internet and security as customers only. Equipment taxes and fees extra. Compares weighted average of the top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced fees after use of monthly data. Saving varies. Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. It's normal. With CalHope's free and secure mental health resources, it's easy to get the help you and your loved ones need when you need it the most. Call our warm line at 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhope.org today. There's a myth out there that electric vehicles are really expensive, but with incentives they actually start under $19,000. Learn more at electricforall.org, powered by Veloz, a nonprofit dedicated to increasing electric vehicle adoption.
Traffic reports on the 10 every 10 minutes, morning and afternoon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. Welcome back in, Blade Travis Buck Sexton Show. Appreciate all of you hanging out with us. We had some fireworks this morning, Buck, when we had Vivek Ramaswamy, who is running for President of the United States. He went on CNN with Don Lemon, and they got into a debate about whether black people had true freedoms in the United States. And I just thought that a lot of you would enjoy this. Fireworks, as it were. Let's listen to cut 18. This is this morning on CNN.
You're making people think that the Civil War was fought for black people, only for black people to get guns, and for black people to have...
The Civil War was fought for black people in this country to get freedoms, a noble mission. And I think that even after we succeeded, we had to actually secure those freedoms.
To reduce it in a speech at the NRA, you're trying to say that black people to get guns, that was the reason that you're there at the NRA. That was the reason for the Civil War.
It is a fact.
What an idiot. He doesn't even fucking wait too close to